Good morning, friends. Today we will talk about how we can find out the different research papers using the Google Scholar. For this, we have to type Google Scholar on the Google browser, and you will see the first link is for the Google Scholar. So firstly let it open, and as you can see I have searched some already. So these keywords are given here. For example, we want to search about, similarly if we are saying that the image signature verification using image processing, so here we can see that here is written anytime, since 2020, since 2019, and some years are written and custom range. So if you want the papers of any time, simply this is by default, that is the anytime. If you want the paper only from the year 2020, so simply click on the 2020 and you will find that 2020 and the papers only published in the year 2020 that will be given. And similarly here we can also define the custom range. For example, I want the papers from 2002 to 2005, so you can click on search here and you can find out the papers here. One more thing in this, you can sort it by the relevance. Okay, by default you can see this is by the relevance, so you can sort it by the date, that is 2000, by the date. So it will go about the date, and here you cannot specify, you're not specifying actually the custom range. And the another thing that is very popular, very beneficial for the researcher, is that here we can see the star, so we can save this in the our profile. As you can see, this is a my library. If I will click here, so this will be automatically saved in the my library, and from the next time I can simply check it out. And the next thing is that is that if you will click on this double comma, you can see the citations. So here the citations are given in different way, so you can simply copy the citation from here and you can paste it here, and you can find out the papers can be easily opened here, and you can read these papers. So this is, instead of going on the Google and searching on the paper, we can go on the Google Scholar, and that is really very beneficial. So this is all about the today's topic, that is the Google Scholar.